everybody, hope you're all doing well. I'm back for another video and we're back with another Nightwish reaction. It's been a while. I actually went back and listened to the last two tracks on the album before this new track, Tribal, just so that I could, get in the feel again and get in the mood for Nightwish. But yeah, today it is track number 7 on the album, I believe. As I said, the song is called Tribal. I've loaded up the official lyric video. You can see it up here. I'll play that in a second. I've not heard 1 second of this song, so it'll be interesting to hear it. Just before I hit play, everyone, thank you very much for the support and all the likes and the comments on each video. If you want to see me react to another band, a song, a movie or TV show, please leave a comment below and I'll get round to them as soon as possible. I want to do a lot more content. Okay, so anyway, here we go. Nightwish Tribal. I'll play it, pause it whenever I feel like it. Sorry, let me just pause that a few seconds. So far, yeah, it's not bad. I would say the guitar riffs and even the rest of the music, especially the drums and bass, it's a bit more, I guess, generic rock than it's been on the album so far. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. It's more accessible to someone who's not heard Nightwish before or who is generally not a fan of this type style of music. As I said, the guitar riffs are a little bit more generic than what we've heard before. Not a lot going on, but I think that seems like that might have been the point, because I have noticed the song's under 4 minutes, which is, I think, so far relatively unusual for Nightwish. Correct me if I'm wrong. In regards to the music video, I like the look of it. I like the dark tones, and also looking at the lyrics, obviously there's a religious tone to them. I'm not sure if it's anti-religious or pro. So far I'm swaying towards anti-religious, which suits me, an atheist, but I've noticed Abraham cut into 3. Is that like a, because the Abrahamic gods are generally in 3 major Bibles or 3 major books of religion, and here man found gods and began to preach. So there's a little nod towards, well, man found gods. It wasn't gods that created everything and then told us that they existed. This was man found gods. That's what I'm picking up so far anyway. But anyway, I'll stop waffling on and get on with the song. I like that bit. Nice. Let me pause that and take that back just before that drum loop. I like the music video, I like the skeletons, and I like the skull with lots of paper and books. I'm guessing that's referring again to biblical literature. But when the lyrics stopped, I liked the change, like the slight chord changes. The chords got a little bit darker, and also I really like the drum fills all throughout that section as well. So let me go back and play that again. But yeah, nice. I really liked the outro. I liked also here. We'll go back just a little bit. Kind of had a bit of a Latin feel to the drum pattern. And also, I liked in the background, the bass was really nice. There was like a nice and clean tone to it. You could actually hear the string getting clicked. Not sure that will be a plectrum or he'll be using his finger, but you can really hear that, which was nice. I just want to play that a little bit quickly. Yeah, I liked that bit. That was nice. That was a nice little change up before the end. But yeah, this song I think was pretty decent. A little bit different from what I've heard before on the album. I think it changed the pace a little bit, which was good. It was more towards like a traditional rock song under 4 minutes long. Lyrically different, obviously, than that. But I think overall, yeah, not bad. This one, I think it's so far one of my favourites on the album. Let me know what you think of this song. Is it something you don't enjoy because it's a little bit different from what's came before on the album, or yeah, just your general opinion of it? And also let me know what you take from the song in terms of the lyrics. It'd be interesting to have a quick discussion about that. But yeah, apart from that, so far so good on this album. Thank you everyone again for all the support, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.